Technology always opens the door for better CX.
There are clearly some significant advancements in AI, conversational experiences, and data platforms that are truly going to transform how we build intelligent and personalized customer experiences.
Customer service and loyalty is back on the top of the CEO agenda. Zendesk helps businesses efficiently and intelligently deliver the best customer and employee experiences without compromising on speed or scale, and most importantly, without compromising on personalization and empathy.
In the new era of AI, messaging, data, how does CX change?
Zendesk AI is special. Our AI has been purposely built for CX. With Zendesk AI, incoming messages and emails are analyzed to understand the intent, what you want in this case, the sentiment, how you feel, and number 3, the language, to make sure we can have conversations in the right language.
You can expect to see Zendesk AI added to all parts of our product. And best of all, it's Zendesk, and that means that it's fast, it's user-friendly, and it works for you right out of the box from day one.
I'm thrilled to announce the launch of our new real-time agent capacity view. Now, right from within your real-time dashboards, you can check the pulse of your business and monitor real-time agent bandwidth across every channel. And when you connect with our new intelligent triage, a whole new level of agent management becomes available.
How can we figure out ways to accelerate the agent's ability to resolve the case? In 2020, we launched the Unified Agent Workspace, and that helps our agents better help their customers.
We're adding new levels of agility and intelligence to the agent workspace with the launch of something that we call the new layout builder. It essentially allows you to customize the content and the configuration of the agent workspace so that your agents can be at their most productive and helpful. The agent workspace will actually be able to adapt so that the tools, the apps, and the automations that your agents need are always right at their fingertips. And best of all, as you would expect from Zendesk, it's all drag and drop, super intuitive, very easy to use.
These capabilities are ready this year and can help you get started right away to unlock the power of intelligent CX and EX.
But this is just the beginning. I think you'll see an acceleration in innovation here as AI becomes a part of your everyday journey here with Zendesk.